Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 10 in hexadecimal of Debugging TV Frames program. You can type your questions during this episode. If I can't answer particular questions now, I then post answers on the website debugging.tv. Actually, this is the first non-practical episode, as you would see. Today is a short, non-practical session to announce recent developments in software diagnostics. First, we provide a definition of software diagnostics. As any diagnostics, such as medical, software diagnostics is no different in general and is based on pattern recognition in execution artifacts such as memory dumps and logs. Dump Analysis Portal was first created 6 years ago as a catalog for patterns and tools pertaining to crash and Han memory dump analysis. Over the years, it evolved into a general software diagnostics and problem-solving catalog of patterns, including software trace and log analysis, so it was decided to reorganize it as a non-profit research institute and also to make its name simpler, reflecting the nature of its activities. Intelligence was included because its narrative patterns are very similar to software trace analysis patterns. Victimware is a class of intentional or unintentional software victims of malware. More information will be added in the future, including links to research literature and articles. One of the current goals of Software Diagnostics Institute is to develop a range of software diagnostics certifications so that individuals can demonstrate knowledge of pattern-driven software diagnostics for troubleshooting and debugging purposes such as memory dump and software trace analysis, and the ability to use uniform methodology and pattern language for different operating systems and debuggers. Typical advantage, for example, is to use the same language for analysis of software logs created by different tracing tools. Another advantage is using the same pattern language across different teams and even departments, and even help with hiring right people with the right skills without subjecting them to steep learning curves. Some companies do not use any methodology and don't have any processes for software diagnostics. And even if they do, they use different languages to communicate their analysis of software artifacts to other companies when doing software troubleshooting and debugging in complex environments that include software from different vendors. Such certification for post-construction phase complements software construction certifications such as Capability Maturity Model. And finally, a few adjustments to current training schedule. 3 webinars have been moved to Mondays on June 25th and July the 2nd. The next Monday we further discuss pattern-driven software diagnostics in much greater detail. So there will be introduction to pattern-driven software diagnostics, free webinar. So thank you for watching this episode. Please later check out the slides and recorded video from debugging.tv. The next episode is on 16th of July, and I promise that it will be more practical than today's webinar. So if you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, see you all in 3 weeks.